Today we're gonna be rushing on a date in my 1,000 horsepower Hellcat Redeye. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and hurry up before she gets mad at me for being late on the first date. And I will show you guys where we're going later in the video, so do not skip and let's go. Let's go ahead and get a cold start. I haven't started this car in like a week. I've been gone for a while. Let's make sure the gap cam is still on. Yep, we good, we good. To gap your favorite BMWs. Double tap. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, that sounds good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! All right, now we have to sit here for like 5 minutes and let the car warm up. Oh, we got police right there. Oh, all right, boys. Pop, pop, pop. Ah! Oh! Let's listen. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh! 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 God damn! Y'all hear them burbles? Oh my gosh. A little burble machine right now. Hung ba 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 bang. Hung ba 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 bang. Hung ba 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 bang. Hung ba ba bang. Alright, so the objective is to get there at like 8:45. I'm gonna see if I can cut down like 5 minutes. Cause if we don't get there like earlier, like 8:45 or earlier, we're low-key gonna be cooked, guys. She might dump me, and she might date a guy who has a BMW. Oh my gosh, tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Shh, be quiet, be quiet. Holy crap, we just got in the air. Oh hell nah. Tweaking, Jigsaw. You tweaking. Hold on, baby. Hellcat should not be in the air. What is smoking over there? What the? Is that a car on fire? Oh nah. Alright, boys. Gosh. Yo, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Move, bitch! Is that police? Police, 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 police. Right there, right there, right there. Can't do anything though. Haha. You're not LA, you're not CHP. You're LAPD. You can't do anything. Can't pull me over. Haha, loser. Haha. Haha, loser. Pull me over. Tunnel. Hey. Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh my gosh. Hey, watch this. Wait. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you think we're gonna make it there before 8:45? It's currently 8:38. Our GPS still says 8:51. We're not making good progress right now. She might leave me, guys. She might leave me. It's fine though. I drive a Hellcat. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. What do you want? Get out of here, buddy. I hope you guys can hear those verbals. They sound insane, bro. Let's go. Oh. Alright, let's go. I don't think we're gonna beat the GPS, but I'm trying. We're going in 1,000 horsepower mode. Let's go. You want some smoke? I smell it. Bro, I gotta get off. Taking the corners like a BMW right now. Deadass. These turbos are absolutely like insane with this car, bro. gosh, the E85 stinks, bro. Ew. Holy moly. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold on, train tracks. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, let's go, let's go! She's gonna break up with me. Oh. Oh. Why are they crossing the road on red? What the? Yo. Oh my gosh, police, police! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Damn! Alright, let's go, let's go. Follow, follow, follow. Go, go, go. Follow, follow, follow. Go, go, go. Never mind, we are not following, bro. I can't run red lights. Let me know, should I get a burble tune in this car? As you can hear from the burble so far, it sounds insane. It sounds like I do have a burble tune, but I actually don't. It's actually crazy, bro. This car like burbles like pa 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 like that, and it sounds crazy. So just imagine me with a burble tune 10 times crazier. Bro, this car sounds insane. The heck? Alright, yeah, you guys get the point, right? Little Mustang. Do a fucking burnout, boy. That is the EcoBoost. Bro's not going nowhere sideways. Terrorizing the residents of Beverly Hills, guys. We have people like that, and then we have people like me. You know, just Tom going to dinner in his BMW, and then we have quiet SRT fucking terrorizing the whole entire streets, being loud and obnoxious. Is that a cop or no? Ah, we're good, we're good, we're good. Excuse me, baby girl. Always gotta be looking out for cops, guys. Especially in this area. It's no bueno. Especially driving a Hellcat. Hellcat SRTs, come pull up on me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come pull up on me with your Hellcat SRT. I look at your rhymes, the hell. But if you guys want to go shop my brand, I'll put it on screen right here, grilllocker.com. Yeah, so please go shop my brand, please. Support the channel, support your boy out. And also it'll be first link in bio as well. Let's go. And if you guys have not guessed so far, I'm taking her to Din Tai Fung. It's like Asian food. Oh, we are not getting no traction at all. Oh, hell nah. Keep in mind, guys, that's like a quarter throttle. It's not even half throttle, that's like a quarter. Fuck. Hold on. Put it in reverse, Terry. Hold on, baby. Hold on. We just like totally miscalculated that. My bad, guys. I'm like too busy trying to ore farm right now. All right. Now let's go in here without scraping. Oh my gosh. We good, we good, we good. Are we good? We should be good. I don't know. Are we good? Are we good? We are chilling. Let's go. We in there. Hey, give me my ticket. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hurry up before she breaks up with me. All right. Where are we parking? I need a parking spot ASAP. Should we park in a Tesla parking? Should we park right here? Should we park over here? Boom, right here, perfect. We in there. Dirt, hurry up! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna park like a little bit sideways. Go, get on my way. Let's go, let's go. Guys, put a poll in chat. Will she break up with me or will she not break up with me for being late? All right, boom, all windows up. Let's go. All right, I'll catch you guys on my phone. All right, put the parking ticket right here because I'm not paying for that. And grab the phone and we are good. Let's go. I'll catch you guys at dinner.